So hello everyone, this is Carl from Pensacola. Here's a short video on restoring some headlights. This is a 2016 Kia Sorento. This is the wife Sorento. The front headlights are pretty much starting to fade out all along this top section right in here, and along the main lens. I tried putting some PPF film on here a couple of years ago and didn't have the technique. It's all about technique when you're putting on PPF film. I do have a video out on the internet on how to do that on my Alfa Romeo Giulia that turned out real well. These basically, it was a crash and burn. So this is what happened if you don't put protective film on your headlights over. Again, this is a 16, this is 2024, so 8 years. This is what happens. Headlight modules are really expensive, and so I'm going to start to possibly buff these out, get them looking better, and then seal them up. I went ahead and got this is turtle wax kit. It was $12 at AutoZone, plus some spray sealant headlight coating from Meguiar's. I'm going to try that. This kit comes with two bottles. One's a lubricant, one's a polishing compound, a couple of small little sanding blocks, 4 different grits. 1, 2, 3, 4 instructions: use 1, use 2, use 3, use 4, using the spray lubricant. And then once you have both sides done, you come back in with a base coat of wipe. There's a little glove that's in there, so it keeps the stuff off your hands. And then finally a sealant wipe. I'm also going to use this Meguiar's coating spray to give a nice even coat on there. So we'll see how this works. Again, it's mostly the top areas on these lights that are no good, but we'll be back after a while and show you what this looks like. So first step in the headlight restoration was to give these things thoroughly cleaning, soap and water. Then I took a industrial towelette. Get those at Harbor Freight. I find that those things get off a whole lot of grease and grime that regular soap and water may not touch. But this is the starting point where, after cleaning it up, it doesn't look near as bad as what it did earlier. But you can see there are micro scratches all in here. Trying to get this thing, there you go. That shows you what we're dealing with. So both sides are very similar. It's starting to haze, and you saw the way the first video looked. That's normal, but they do clean up a little bit better. But here we go, and this is a before, and then we're gonna after, and doesn't look too bad. All the glare, sun's gone over, but it'll do for now. It's 1,000 times better than what it did to start with. Not perfect, but it's okay for an afternoon's work. And there you have it. Take care. Thanks a lot. Bye.